Hello, this is Sushrut Badve. I'm an orthopedic surgeon working at Sahyadri Specialty Hospitals, Pune, India for the last 15 years. During one of my recent visits to Kenya at Nairobi, I had the occasion of seeing this young girl, Yusra, who is from Somalia. Now, this little girl had a fall on her outstretched arm few months ago, and she sustained a fracture of lower end humerus. She was not treated well, and it resulted in a deformity of her elbow, which is called as cubitus varus. They searched for various options locally but couldn't find the correct treatment. So during my visit to Nairobi, I could see this little girl Yusra, where I offered them a surgery for the same. It was to be a corrective surgery, which will be correcting the angle of the humerus, and she would have a normal elbow. So finally, after 2 months, these people came down to India. I saw her again, and then she was finally operated 15 days back. She did very well after the surgery. The entire angle of the elbow has been recreated, and the stitches have just been removed today. And in a month of time, she should have a normal working elbow as a right elbow. Thank you. Laugh at it. Thank you.
It is a great pleasure for me today to sit here. My name is Mohammed Sheikh Hassan from Somalia. I am the father of Yusra. She's my daughter. We had in her early age of 2 years a problem in her left hand which twisted and make it curve. So we tried to make an operation in Nairobi, but we couldn't succeed for that operation. And we waited long time until on November last year, we met in Nairobi Dr. Sushrut from Sahyadri Hospital, who examined her and advised that it is curable in this age, and he advised us to bring to Sahyadri Hospital in India, Pune city. So we prepared for that, and we booked it, and we prepared for that, and we came here on 3rd April 2019. On 4th, we were well received from the hospital staff and administration, and they admitted and they started for the preparation of the operation on the next day. Alhamdulillah, it was very good. On 5th April, the doctor made his operation. It was particularly left hand elbow correction. And we were at the hospital until to 4 days. After that, she was discharged. And now we came last week for a follow-up checking on her hand. And then today also we came for a second one, and we are waiting for the third appointment and evaluation with the doctor to see. The way I can see now, it is a successful operation, and I would like to thank, starting from the administration and the marketing and the relationship, its staff who started receiving us from the airport to the hotel, to the hospital, and then the team of the nurses and the lower medicinists who also prepared her for the operation, and later on the all consultant and the general doctors, especially Dr. Sushrut and his team, who make that operation on 5th April 2019. And Alhamdulillah, it was successful, and we hope for the next 10 days we will be back to our home country with a safe hand. That's what we are wishing. And I really would like also to appreciate the best standard of the Sahyadri Hospital, how in the administration wise, in the cleaning, equipment, and the consultant, good teams. It was very, very busy hospital, but very high quality, high qualification doctors as I see, especially in the surgery and the joint replacement doctors. And I'm very, very happy, especially with the customer care, young boys and the girls who were asking us every time, day and night, and taking care of us while in the hospital. Thank you very much, and I advise, just if you have something problem like what I have as a father, to come here and to see the most qualified doctors here in Sahyadri Hospital. Thank you very much.